Bosch ESI Tronic 2.0 Online allows you to find out service requirements and clearly view vehicle-specific maintenance schedules. You can quickly select all information relating to vehicle servicing through different maintenance options and add it to a maintenance schedule with ease. You will then see an overview of all the planned steps for the vehicle. As part of the final checks, you can simply reset the interval indicator. This will complete the maintenance work. All maintenance work completed is documented and stored directly in the tool and can be printed off as required. Check out the vehicle-specific maintenance features on ESI Tronic 2.0 Online for yourself to work with more transparency than ever before.